Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear router history on any Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi router. This can only be done from web interface, so of course you can use mobile browser to do this, but the web interface is not designed for mobile browser, so it's better to do it from a computer. Let's get into it. Actually, it's really pretty easy, so what you need is make sure your computer is connected to your router's Wi-Fi network or connected via Ethernet cable to your computer. Then open any web browser and in the search bar type in routerlogin.net. Then hit enter and you need to log in as administrator. So enter your username and password. You created these credentials yourself on the router setup, so you should know this information. So sign in and switch to Advanced tab. Then select Administration in the left pane and select Logs. Here is your router history. Scroll down a little bit. You can select what to include in this log in future, and also you can send log somewhere and clear log like this. That's it. Now you have only one record in the log. That log is cleared just right now. If that was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and be awesome. Bye guys.